Hi, boys and girls. How are you? I hope you're all doing well and you're all safe at home. Okay, for our new story today, I'm going to be reading The Scary Noise. Okay, now I'm going to read the story twice. First time, I just want you to think about the story elements, which are the characters, who's in the story, where and when the story happens, and when it takes place. So when is the time, where is the place? Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, the scary noise. This is the picture up the top. Look at the girls, okay? How do they look? Just to start off, okay? And look at the writing up here, how it's all wobbly. And it says crunch. Let's take a look. Maya, said Rose, what's that noise? It was late at night. Maya rolled over in bed. What? She asked. I heard a noise in the kitchen, Rose said. I'm scared. Maya got up to help her little sister. What did it sound like? She asked. Like a monster eating bones, said Rose. A monster? Gasped Maya. Rose's brown eyes were big. It was eating something crunchy. Maya was scared, but she thought she could be brave. The sisters headed down the hall. Maya was in front. She heard crunch, crunch, crunch. Maya was very scared now. Still, she kept walking. No monsters allowed, she yelled as she burst into the kitchen. What did you say? Said Daddy as he bit into the last potato chip. Okay. Did you like that story? It was actually quite interesting, wasn't it? Let's read it one more time and talk together as we read. Okay? Okay. Maya, said Rose. What's that noise? Okay, so who are the characters? Yes, that's right. Maya and Rose are the two girls. Those are the two characters. There's still one more character. We'll talk about the last character at the end. It was late at night. Maya rolled over in bed. What? She asked. I heard a noise in the kitchen, Rose said. I'm scared. Maya got up to help her little sister. What did it sound like? She asked. Like a monster eating bones, said Rose. Okay, so Rose is the younger sister, Maya is the older one. Okay, and Maya is asking her, what did she hear? Okay, and what does it sound like? Rose said, it's like a monster eating bones. Maya gasped. Okay, it's the what? Like there's like a monster. Gasp means the way she says it. Okay. Rose's brown eyes were big. It was eating something crunchy. So the girls think that there's a monster in the kitchen. So where does the story take place? Yeah, that's right. They're going to the kitchen. Maya was scared, but she thought she could be brave. The sisters headed down the hall. Okay, the hall is like a corridor. Maya was in front. So Maya is the older sister and she's leading. Okay, she's leading the way to the kitchen. So she's the one who's in front. She heard crunch, crunch, crunch. Maya was very scared now. Still, she kept walking. Okay, even though she was scared, she kept on walking to show her sister that she's not that scared. Now, let's hear what Maya said when she burst into the kitchen. No monsters allowed, she yelled as she burst into the kitchen. Okay, so bursted, which means she jumped into the kitchen. She shouted really loudly, no monsters allowed. And then, what did you say? Said Daddy as he bit into the last potato chip. Okay, so who was the monster that they thought it was? Who was the monster? Or they thought was the monster? It was actually Daddy. It wasn't a monster. There was no monster at all. Okay, let's take a look. Who are the characters? We have Maya, which is the older sister. And then Rose is the younger sister, and we have Daddy. What is the older sister's name? Yeah, Maya. That's right. When does the story take place? Is it in the morning, in the afternoon, the last week, or is it at night? Yes, it was late at night. Now, where does the story take place? Okay, so most of the story takes place in the kitchen. That's where all the action happens. Okay, that's where everything, all the problem was. Is the genre of the story fiction or non-fiction? So, okay, the picture might not be real, but the things that happened in the story, could it be real or is it not real? Yeah, that's right. It's real. It can really happen. So it's non-fiction. Okay. Was there a monster in the story? No, there was no monster at all. It's just what they were imagining, what they were thinking. Okay, from the sounds that they heard, because it was late at night and it was really dark, so they thought that it was a monster and it sounded like it was eating bones, but it was actually Daddy in the kitchen eating chips. So, how did the characters feel? Okay, how did they feel in the beginning of the story? Yes, they were scared. Even their faces showed that they were scared. Okay, good work, everyone. If you still don't understand clearly, just go back and listen and continue the pages 77 and 78. Good work, everyone. Keep it up.